want to say is I want to congratulate Usha ji for all her efforts putting together such a fantastic foundation. And I'm so glad that I could make it here today and contribute good work. So fantastic and congratulations.
Gauri, I want to share an anecdote with you. I had done a film called Mission Kashmir, and I was about to do Dil Chahta Hai. In between, I got a film called Pyar Tune Kya Kiya by Ram Gopal Verma's production. Okay. And Ramu sir had told me that, I want you to play this role like Gauri. And I said, Gauri as in, he said, you don't know Gauri? Gauri Khan. I said, of course I know Gauri Khan, but I don't know her personally. So what do you want me to be? And his eyes were looking very dreamy, and he said, she's beautiful. She's the best wife, and she's so level-headed. She's the best. And he came up with variety of adjectives, and I knew it right then that what he was expecting. And since then, you have been my heroine.
I would like to thank you and him. I had no clue, so thank you so much.
Well, we've known you as a beautiful model, as the wife of our heartthrob superstar. You are a doting mom, you are a successful interior designer. We want to know, how did your journey start? Because you came out of your comfort zone and you decided to, work for yourself, for your passion. So how did it start, first of all?
So I've always been inclined towards design. I had art as my major subject in college and school. So my background was already there, and design is very closely associated with art. So I had all those...
They can't hear you, maybe.
Oh, sorry.
The mic level is okay?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Close.
So as I said, I was always inclined towards design. And when I started designing my own home in Mumbai, I realized that I loved it and I was extremely passionate about it. And soon after that, I showcased a line for the charcoal project. And shortly after that, I started my own store, Gauri Khan Designs, in a very small space. It was 600 square feet, like tiny.
Really?
And I said, let me give myself a few years or a year to see where I go with this space that I had rented. And fortunately, the store did extremely well. Of course, I put in all my efforts and my time and all the things required to make any profession, moving in the right direction. And when I realized that, I soon launched my flagship store, which is now in Juhu. And
we are very sure, हमने सुना है कि SNDT is shut for a while, but your clientele will not stop. They will pour like rain.
I'm lucky that actually that space, the road is open from one side, so I got saved.
And wherever your store was, I'm sure your clients will definitely pour in there.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you.
Well, you've undertaken variety of prestigious projects. We would like to know which are your favorite ones, or probably which were the most challenging ones.
Well, all the projects that we take on, we have to put in our best foot forward. And so we can't take anything casually, whether it's a small project or it's a large project. But currently I'm working in Imphal. It's more than 1 lakh square feet. It's a hotel. And that is my most challenging projects because firstly it takes nearly 3 days to get there, even if you fly. So just to get the whole team together, matching up and trying to get all the work organized and meeting the deadlines is going to be a huge challenge for us. So I think that would be my most challenge.
All the best for that.
Thank you.
You always have to deal with spotlight, paparazzis, and the media glare. How do you manage to balance your family life and your work?
Well, I really feel that I'm just leading a very normal life where I am just another working woman like anyone else. And I pick and choose when I want to be in the spotlight, which is only connected to my work. When I need to use the media, as I would say, yes, no. It's important for me, media is important when you're showcasing your work. People have to know what you're doing. So I think it's important, and I enjoy that part of it.
Well, it is easier to hear, but very difficult to actually do it. But let us accept that there are comparisons, there is jealousy, there is competition, and in every given situation. You are not spared just because you are someone's wife. Rather, there are highest expectations from you.
Yes.
You always seem to be level-headed. You always come across as a very composed and a very warm person. How do you deal with the pressure? What is your inspiration? We'd like to know.
If you're talking about inspiration, I'll only talk about my work. So my inspiration currently is when I complete a project and I see a smile on my client's face. That just makes my day. And I'm constantly inspired to do good work and just keep moving on and achieve what I want to.
What you are committed
My
to.
goals, yes, achieve my goals, absolutely.
Usha ma'am, would you like to add something? In fact, we are extremely thankful to you, Gauri, for being able to spare time and being with us. Thank you on behalf of everyone in this room.
No, I have to say that I'm here for Usha ji, and I saw her good work, and I see what the foundation has achieved and what she is doing, and it's a learning. And I really wanted to be here to see that how she works and how she's put together, working for children, for women, healthcare, so many fantastic,
Endeavors
so much work she's done. So I think it's great, and I'm glad I'm here.
मैंने बस सोनाली जी उनको एक बार पूछा कि ऐसे ऐसे फंक्शन है, आप आओगे? शी सेड ऑफ कोर्स आऊँगी, चैरिटी का काम है तो कभी भी मेरे लिए हाँ है. सो एक वर्ड पे उन्होंने इमीडिएटली हाँ बोला, तो रियली इट्स वेरी नाइस.
That's wonderful. ये दोस्ती सलामत रखे हमेशा के लिए. Thank you so much, Gauri, for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Amrita, we are not going to leave you like that. We have many, many questions for you. Are you ready?
ॲब्सोल्युटली.
आपल्याला सगळ्यांनाच अमृताची ओळख आहे. 5 वर्षापूर्वी जेव्हा पहिली टर्म सुरू झाली, जेव्हा अमृता नागपूरहून मुंबईला शिफ्ट झाली, तेव्हा वी ऑल वर सरप्राइज्ड की ही कोण यंग मुलगी आहे जी एक वर्किंग वुमन आहे आणि ती आता काम कंटिन्यू करणार आहे. तेव्हा आम्हाला जास्त आनंद झाला होता अमृता. So we know this young girl who had dreams, who wanted to lead a normal life, a very proud life where she was working herself. But along with that, she, as in you, have come up with variety of social projects, Divyaj being one of them. Would you like to elaborate on your social commitment and your endeavors?
सगळ्यात आधी नमस्कार पुणे. A very good afternoon to all of you, Gauri ji, Usha ji, and Sonali ji, of course, and all the
आज
dignitaries.
जीच म्हणायला लागलेत मला सगळे. मला असं वजनदार व्यक्तिमत्व झाल्यासारखं वाटायला लागलं.
You are Vazandar,
Come
actually.
on. Go ahead, Amrita.
It's very nice to meet all of you here, and for the cause, for the coffee table book for which we have gathered here. It's a great reason to be together. Felicitation of ladies who have really worked at the ground level, and also through CSR like Adar and Gauri ji who have worked on their own. So that is very nice and commendable. And according to me, you asked me regarding social endeavors. I think so. India is a country with a lot of extremities. You have the richest, and other side you have the poorest. So the poorest don't have the basic means also to live a good life, like good education, good houses. So there is this big, huge gap which we need to bridge. And this can be done with the help of foundations or with the help of groups who intend to do good for the society. And finally, whatever good we do for the society, the way society comes up, it comes back to us. It's not that you are secluded and you have a great life and you forget about it. That doesn't happen. You have to grow in a very wholesome manner so that it affects you finally. You have to have great rivers. You have to have great environment. You have to have educated and people with great values, which will finally improve your own life. So it is good, जैसे उषा काकडे जी करता आहेत, जशी गौरीजी करत आहेत मीर फाउंडेशनच्या थ्रू अँड द वे आदर इज वर्किंग. Similarly, there are people who really need help, and especially the ladies who are working here. आणि कोणकोणच्या वेगवेगळ्या जागेत जाऊन हे लोक कामं करतायत, ही आपल्यासाठी आज जरुरी आहे. क्वालिटी ऑफ एज्युकेशन आणणं, जस्टिस फॉर विमेन आणणं आणि मॅलन्यूट्रिशन कमी करणं, या सगळ्या बेसिक नीड्स आहेत जे आपल्याला केटर करायला पाहिजे, अँड वी हॅव टू डू इट टुगेदर. सो इट इज अबाउट डुईंग थिंग्स टुगेदर, एमिंग टुवर्ड्स अ होलसम डेव्हलपमेंट.
पण किती अभिमान वाटतो की पॉवरमध्ये असूनही या सगळ्या मुद्द्यांवरती तुझा स्वतःचा विचार आहे, तुझी स्वतःची काही मतं आहेत. अमृता, आपने कभी भी अपने आप को पॉलिटिकल प्रोटोकॉल में नहीं फंसने दिया है. तुम्हें म्यूज़िक पसंद है और तुमने हमेशा अपनी पैशन परस्यू की है. हाउ डज म्यूज़िक एनरिच यू? हाउ डू यू वर्क टुवर्ड्स योर ओन म्यूज़िक? व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर इट?
In fact, music is a great stress buster. It is like meeting the divine. Whenever I'm singing, sitting on my own and singing, or listening to good quality music. So it is about really relaxing and getting the best out of the day. And for me, music is not just about per se music. It is about changing the world. With music, you can bring about miracles, not just in your physical or mental level, but socially also you can bring about a change. If you take up a topic and make a nice song on it, people are more receptive towards it. This goes back to the old era where in our country also, down south, socio-cultural changes came in because of folk music. Even Adi Shankaracharya, he used to do, he used to preach with music. So we have this history with India. Even in USA, the Civil War, they used so much of music through great musicians like Mr. Bob, who was a great musician that time. He was used for preaching the Civil War intricacies. So it has been since long that we have used music for a social cause also. So when good music accompanies a cause, it can create miracles.
I think Gravitas Foundation is a great cause, and we deserve to have some music, right? We are not going to let you go.
Gravitas Foundation has also used visual media. They have a movie. उसका नाम क्या है? उड़ने दो. They specified the burning issue of sexual abuse against children. So it was well received by audience. So always music and cinema, that is a great medium to showcase any cause.
It is, but we are eagerly waiting to clap for you, Amrita. So we would like to hear a couple of lines from you. We can't let you go without your music. Please.
I've just traveled and not slept, but since I have Gauri Khan in front of me, and I suddenly remember his husband, so I have one song in mind.
Awesome.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो.
That's beautiful. That's Amrita for us, as candid as she can be. That's wonderful, Amrita. Thank you so much. We'd like to know, as I said initially, you are the First Lady of Maharashtra, and you are determined to continue to work. How do you look at your own journey? Did you ever dream of being in the city of Mumbai and pursuing so many dreams? What I mean is that, opportunities can open up for anyone, anytime. Were you ready for it, or you prepared yourself for it?
I think so. I'll go back to my family. I'm from a family of complete doctors from both sides. So I had always seen them doing charity work other than their profession and consultation. So that naturally came to me because of them. The difference then and now is, then I used to go and do whatever I had to do. And there was no one to notice. Like many of the ladies might not have been noticed till Usha Kakade discovered them. It was the same way. But later, after Devendraji became CM and we came here, so whatever little also I started doing, that got noticed. That was the difference. And regarding preparing for this, I never prepared for this because I believe you should be as normal, like Gauri ji said, you should be as normal as you can because time changes always. And what remains is good memories in the mind. And how would they be there? Being good to others and getting good wishes and seeing smiles on faces. So that's what I aim for myself throughout my life, seeing smiles on faces.
हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो. I want to ask both of you, Gauri and Amrita, how does, no, sorry. I just want to ask you out of our curiosity, you both lead a very, very ambitious life, a very dedicated life. You are extremely passionate about your own work. Does having a very popular husband trouble or matter, or it's a value addition? I want to know from both of you.
I think you asked me about my kids and Shah Rukh earlier on about media and all of that and how it affects you, you know, the whole family, because they are popular. But I think because of who he is, there are a lot of positives. I only take the positive. I don't take the negative. Even if there are some negatives, I have to brush it aside. The reason is very, very simple. Because he helped me launch Gauri Khan Designs. So he's very important to me. I have to say that. No, but that's jokes apart. That we are in, well, he has done a lot. He's a great father, he's a great husband. And I have to say that there's only positive being his wife, and I would not like to share anything negative.
Wonderful. About you, Amrita?
As she said, whether they win, if he would have been a CM, the CM or not, it wouldn't have mattered to me personally because it is about the kind of person he is. That's what attracted me towards him. So it would always be there. And in terms of negative and positive points about being a CM's wife, so there are both sides to it, but you have to take it in a different manner. So whenever stones are thrown at you, but those are constructive stones, you have to take them positively. And if something is just for distraction, for negativity, you have to realize that, understand that, and just brush it off. So it is about your perception about your life, not other people's perception.
That's fantastic. It's so enriching for all of us, isn't it, to hear both these ladies. Usha ji, I would like to ask you what you would like to add. It is so important to have a fantastic celebration here today of Gravitas Foundation. You are felicitating so many Punekars, so many wonderful women who have mattered to our society. What would you like to tell the women or the underprivileged women? What do you want to tell the society today through this event?
मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी आज के अवार्ड को, जैसे मैंने पहले ही बोला है कि इन ऐसे लोगों ने इतना इन्होंने काम किया है ग्रास रूट से लेके, और मुझे खुशी है उनको ये अवार्ड देने में। और ऐसे ही हम सभी को जितना भी होता है, हर किसी ने इस तरह के काम करना चाहिए, एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए। दैट्स इट। और मुझे खुशी है कि हम लोग भी इसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, ऐसे काम कर रहे हैं।
मुझे लगता है हमारे साथ ये 3 रत्न जो बैठे हैं उनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। With this, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the end of our session. I would like to invite Ajinkya Mulik to share the vote of thanks. Okay. So let us have Deepa today for the vote of thanks.
माझ्या मते पुण्यात कार्यक्रम आहे तर आभार प्रदर्शन आपण मराठीत केलं तरी चालू शकतं. आणि मला असं वाटतं की या संपूर्ण कार्यक्रमाची जी जबाबदारी पेललेली आहे ती आज सोनाली कुलकर्णी यांनी पेललेली आहे. तर आपण सगळ्यांनी त्यांच्यासाठी मोठ्याने टाळ्या वाजवायला पाहिजे. आणि मी रिक्वेस्ट करते की प्लीज त्यांचं आपण फेलिसिटेशन करूयात या तिघींच्याही हस्ते, कारण की त्यांनी आम्हाला कालपासून खूप छान प्रकारे कॉपरेशन दिलेलं आहे सगळ्या प्रक्रियेमध्ये. अँड शी इज अ फॅन्टॅस्टिक पर्सन.